Here's how to make money on Pandabuy. So you can easily make money on Pandabuy by doing these simple steps that I'm gonna show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you what Pandabuy is. So Pandabuy is basically an e-commerce logistic platform that can help you buy products from China easily, or you can sell them. So it's basically affiliate marketing but in a different way. So as y'all can see, I got different things over here, or products we can say that we can sell over here. So how do we make money off of it? So it's pretty easy and simple. You have to make your own account and own shop to be a seller and make money off it. So how do you do that? First of all, you have to go and make your account. So how do you do that? You can just sign up with Apple or Google. So I'm just gonna sign in with Google. There we go. Confirm new account, and there we go. I've successfully entered my account now. So as you all can see, I have my account. So I can basically make a shop for myself and sell products over here. So how do I sell products from this? So we know we got like different stuff that we can get from like here, and we can just put it on. As you can see, it says paste the product links. So first of all, we'll go to Reddit or any other app that you got for their but I'm gonna do for my fashion niche that I'm gonna sell fashion, like mostly in Pandabuy people sell Nike products and pants and shirts like that. So I'm just gonna search up r.r/fashion reps, because here are mostly all the fashion products that we want. So I'm just gonna go down and find the products that I want. Let's say I want this one. What you have to do is copy its link. There we go. We've copied the link, and go back to Pandabuy and paste the, as you all can see, allow paste. And now we're just gonna paste the link over here and go search terms, accept. So yeah, we got our first product link and everything. So I can sell this, as I told you all earlier. I can sell all these stuff and with the link. Now I'm gonna put the product name. Contains different stuff, and you can put in your items that you want specifically to know them. So what we got over here, a Nike hoodie, Nike white hoodie, and the second one are some slippers, Adidas slippers. Third one we got right over here are some black t-shirts. Those gonna specifically put all of their names. You have to do this step, guys. If you don't do this, your products will sell out. Black shirts, Nike Dunks, gray and white Nike Dunks. And we got some more Nike and a polo. And a polo sweater. There we go. Now we have to upload the images. I'm just gonna take one by one screenshots of each of them, just like this one. Screenshot it, There we go. Just gonna accurately screenshot them. Just like that. These slippers. Shirt. I'm gonna individually take screenshots of each of them, just so I can sell my products nicely. And you have to do these steps, guys. Make sure you do all these steps if you seriously make money off like Pandabuy, Nike Dunks. I'm showing you the step-by-step method because that's easy for you. And in the end, we got some polo sweater. There we go. I'm just gonna upload all these images over there. Upload images and select load up. How do I upload more? I don't know why I can't upload more, but I'm just gonna put the first one and the link will take us automatically there. I don't know why I can't put more, but you have to put in the price. So the pricing depends on you. So the shipper, the one who will send, will take its amount. And let's say for the each product, I want to sell this hoodie for almost, it's thrift, so I would sell it for maybe $66 and quantity, I don't know, one, yeah, and shipping cost, I don't know, around $50. Sure. And add to cart. Now there we go, we've successfully added this. And now when we have added our own store, now people can like go and check it out, just like this in my cart. As you all can see, I have this, and people can just directly link it and go over there, and to the link they will go and buy it. In my orders, I got nothing because I just made this order right now. And yeah, if you want to be the seller individually, you have to buy this first, then you can get all the profit. But if you want to share the profit, you have to like convert this and make sure the people buy it, and do all the procedures. So yeah, and there you go, you can like sell it just like these users. As you all can see, these users have like got in there, like as you all can see, they did the everything, like every single step that I told you all, and they're selling it. And yeah, that's basically it on how you can make money on Pandabuy. So I hope I helped you guys out.